2 ears, yep.
Even though she's been hearing on that right side, we don't know if the left side is going to... She wasn't wearing a hearing on the left side, was she?
Just for the short time since we've had her.
Did she... Do you hear something? Awesome.
Is it cool?
Good job. Okay, did you hear 2, 3, or 4? I want you to write it down here, okay? Let's make some circles. Let's see if this jogs from memory.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Do we have her draw lines or just the number?
Little, I think you did little marks.
Little marks?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
But she could do the number. That'd probably be easier.
Okay, ready? Oh. Here. You are so smart. Okay, you ready?
Yes. Okay.
Good. Essentially what I want to see here today is I just want to see if she hears it there or not. I know threshold. 0? Okay. Last time I was more interested in what is the absolute quietest that she can hear. Good job. She's not going to understand a darn thing. Do you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hi.
What is it funny? Is it funny? Or is that funny? Is that funny?
Mommy.
What?
Yeah.
Later.
And now what I'm going to do is just increase. So there's the T levels and the C levels.
Uh-huh.
The T levels are the quietest that she can hear, and the C levels are the louder sounds. So the T levels, that's what she was responding to, so those are all set. Stop. Is it loud?
Is it making a funny noise?
And now it was off for a second, now it's coming back on.
Okay.
Is that funny?
Then.
I'm going to stop?
Yeah.
That's why. That's what she's hearing.
Okay.
Is it funny?
Okay, yes. Now going.
It's funny, isn't it? Why? What's hurt? Is it,
Here.
Okay, gotta wait. Sorry.
Okay.
Hey, Baba, okay. Bow, bow, bow.
Can you hear yourself, Lily? No. Okay.
Yeah.
Loud.
Yeah, she might think it's loud. Okay. Let me see if I turn this. No, that's not.
What? I mean, what? Mommy?
Did it fall off?
Okay, Lily. Is it loud? Is it loud? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?